Chapter 9, Exercise 2, Part 6 of 6, Nut. Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the name, Nut. Store it in the fully support folder. Create a sketch on XY plane. Type polygon in the search command window and specify the enter the inscribe radius 2.5 mm, rotation 0, decrease the dimension text height, finish the sketch, select extrude to a distance of 2 mm, now create a sketch on the top face, specify the origin point, select the origin of datum coordinate system, draw a circle of diameter 5, finish the sketch, select extrude, enter the end distance value 2, reverse direction in the specify vector, select intersect in the boolean operation, select draft angle from start limit 60°, say OK. Similarly, create the sketch on this bottom face, specify the origin point, origin of datum coordinate system, say OK. Draw the circle of diameter 5 mm, finish the sketch, select extrude, reverse direction, end value 2 mm, intersect, select the draft angle from start limit -60°, say OK, hide the sketches, orient view to trimetric, now create a hole, select threaded hole, select M2.5 into 0.45 size, to specify the point select the arc center, normal to face through body, boolean operation subtract, say OK. Now right click, orient window trimetric, save the file, close all parts. This completes chapter 9 exercise 2 part 6 of 6 nut.